Do you want to exactly know how to use paper for acrylic painting? Hi, this is Madhula, the artist behind Madhula Creations, helping you to learn to draw, paint, and relax through art. In today's video, I am going to exactly show you how you can prepare your paper, like your sketchbooks or drawing notes, to paint on acrylics. Let's get started. This is a normal sketchbook from Artangle. To be frank, the main reason I got this book is because I got inspired by the Van Gogh painting on its cover. I'll link it in the description box below. If you are interested, do check this out. This is a 120 GSM paper, so definitely not very thick to handle acrylics. To make it work for acrylics, like for example, if you want to do art journaling or if you want to paint on top of this with acrylics, we need to gesso this paper. Here is the gesso from PBO. You can choose to use any brand gesso. Just take it in your palette. You can use a brush or a palette knife to paint the gesso coat. For this first layer, I will use a brush. Ensure that you use a broad brush with fine bristles in order to avoid any brush strokes, okay? So let's start applying the gesso. Primarily, I am doing a horizontal brush stroke, but in order to avoid any harsh brush marks, I will gently go over it vertically now and then. Fill the entire page with the gesso. The layer has to be thin and need not be very thick. I usually paint till the edge, so I am filling the edge too. But if you aren't planning to paint till the edge, you can stop before that. Alright? Wash your brush immediately as gesso dries very fast. Allow this layer to dry completely. It might take a couple of minutes. Let's wait. If you want to exactly know what papers can be effectively used for acrylic painting, check out the video above in the card. I will also link it in the description box below. In this video, I would have explained the types of paper you can use acrylics on. Now this is completely dry. Let's sand it off. Use a sanding paper. This you get in hardware shops too. Start sanding. Do it very gently. Remember that you are just smoothing the surface and you don't want to damage the layer. So you will get fine particles of gesso like this. Just clean it off. Now let's do the second layer. This time I am going to show you how you can use the palette knife to do the same gesso layer. You need a long knife to make it work. The advantage of using the palette or the painting knife is that it covers a large area and you will not get brush strokes. However, if you have not used any knife before, you might find it little difficult. So use both of these and see which one suits you. For this layer, I am going to use a vertical stroke. So primarily it will be vertical strokes, but I might go horizontally few times to remove the excess gesso. If you are going to do art journaling or any abstract work, you can also do a textured layer with gesso like this. It will look very beautiful. On the other hand, if you are going to do a normal painting, you can have it smooth like this. Fill the entire page. Wipe the edges of the book with a cloth or tissue because we have gesso till the end, right? Some of the gesso would have gone beyond the edges of this sheet. So let's clean that up, otherwise the sheets will stick together. Once done, allow it to dry completely. Wash off your painting knife immediately after gessoing. This technique I am showing you can be used on any drawing notebooks or sketchbooks. This is a 240 GSM sketchbook that I have and you can gesso it the same way. So if you want your paper to hold acrylics well, without colors sinking too much, use this method and gesso the paper. Once dry, sand the paper very gently. Now you have a nice base layer for the acrylic painting. In the next video, I will show you how to paint on top of this. So stay connected and hit the subscribe button. Also, I do post video tutorials like this one, detailed product reviews and much more on my channel every week. So subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications from YouTube whenever I post a new video. Since we have 2 layers of gesso in this, the thickness of this sheet will be more than the other sheets now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week and happy painting.